Welcome to Walnut Ridge RV, where the campers are clean, the coffee is questionable, and the characters are very real. This is a behind-the-scenes look at the people who keep the lot rolling, mostly in a straight line.
Management asked for suggestions. I asked for hair and makeup for this video, and I didn't get it.
It was Ryan's idea. He said, what could go wrong?
So this one says less eye contact in meetings. Valid.
Yeah, valid. This one's free lunch Fridays, but only if it's tacos. Also valid.
This one says, give Christina her own parking spot and her own show. Honestly, I support that.
Okay.
I didn't write it, but I support whoever did.
More walkthroughs with dance intros. Okay. But how much dancing?
This much, Dilly? How about this? Can you do this dance?
Some people fear change. Me, I embrace it, especially if it involves strobe lights.
Visual aids are so helpful around here.
Someone asked for a hot tub in the break room, and someone else seconded that. That someone else was also Kimmy.
And I stand by that.
Finance should do TikToks explaining interest rates with costumes.
Hard pass.
Too late. Yeehaw! Let's talk about FICO scores.
Next time we're just going to do a Google Doc.
Thank you for calling Walnut Ridge. How may I direct your call?